Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to work with the multi-currency on QuickBooks, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply log into your QuickBooks account using your login credentials. So once you have logged into your QuickBooks account, you have to do is simply click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Now once you have clicked on it, from here you can find your company, so you can go to the account and settings. Now from the account and settings, at the left side you can find the menu section where you can find advanced at the very last. Now you can scroll down and you can find the currency section where you can find the multi-currency. So you can simply click on this pen icon here to edit it. Now make sure you have turned on or enable or toggle this on the multi-currency from here. Once you toggled it on, simply click on this box here that I understand I can't earn multi-currency. So you can turn it off again once you have turned it on. Now simply click on save. So once you have saved this, now you can see if I give a quick refresh, or it will take automatically the refresh here, and here in the quick currency you can see it is not turned on. Now you won't be able to change the currency from here. Now you have to do is simply go back or close it from here. Now again click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and here in the list section now you can see currencies has just added in this list right now after turn on the multi-currencies, where you can click on it, and from here you can find your different types of currency. What you will be able to edit each and every currency from here, like market rate as of the latest like this, and your rate you can add your own rate from here if you want so. And also that's how you can add your own exchange rate from here. And also you can add a currency from here. Simply click on add currency, and from this drop down you can find lots of currency are available here, so you can choose any of these from here and simply click on add. Once you have clicked on it, you can see the currency has just added, and now you will be able to work with this currency. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.